Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Second to the final game ng ating elimination round dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Region 2, Apong Cagayan under 18 versus Bataan as they start things off with a bang. Gets that 3-point shot to go. De Gia had 21 points last game. Had a number of threes. Chance of defense on the side here for Bataan. Both teams have hit their outside bombs. Nice tap. That felt short on the run. Gonna make something happen. Is their guard here, Joven Bachiha. Here he is. Joven sends it in the middle. Will shoot 2 free throw. Erwin Gozum. Bataan was successful on their contest yesterday. I believe it's same can be said on this Region 2 Apong Cagayan squad. But regardless, both teams looking for big wins as we are in the last day of eliminations. 4-3 is the score. Looking to make their stride here in offense, stepping on the line. He has his foot stepped in bago pa makasalo ng pasa. As Bataan looking to increase this one off. Bachian gives it on the left, scoops it, scoring Bricks Kilapio. 6-3. Another shot, this time on the right side. Gives it on the paint. All day to shoot. It's good. Tied at 6. 7:40 remaining. Isa pa para kay Kilapio. That pass was intercepted. Another 3, another make. All conversions from downtown. Region 2 Apong Cagayan looking for a win here. So impressive so far.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng
9-6 is our score. All made baskets by Region 2 galing sa 3-point area. De Gia couldn't hit his second three. Quilapio picks it up. 4 points for Bricks Quilapio. Can they hit their first field goal? Quilapio takes the ball away. Bachiha asking for it, pero si Quilapio wants to take it. Solid rebound, I believe that was Santiago. In and out cross, lays it up. Making that swing, that basket goes in. 11-8. Joshua Kawamoto will be blocked there. Looks to recover. Here's Joshua on the drive. Kawamoto with a score. (11-10). Fakes on that shot. 1-2 step. 8 points, I believe, for him on this quarter. As Quilapio will give it to Bachiha. Couldn't get that attack. Running start once again. Drops it up, fakes, evades, and scores. 15-10. Quilapio again takes it on himself. As there is a whistle called here. (15-10). Under 18 division. Bricks fakes, shoots, and one. (15-12). Looking to complete this one is Quilapio. The Bricks swishes the free throw. (13-15) is the score. Looking to make something on this play. Goes for that sidestep. Bumps and one. From the inside, outside, you name it. Sometimes there's just nothing you can do. Missing on the free throw though. 17-13. Bachia goes for this attack. One-hander is good. Abe De Gia able to score that one. Shoots another three. This time won't fall. Bachicha on the move. Goes on the cross. One-hander won't fall. Kozum put back is in. 17 all. Looks to shoot this three with 3 minutes 50 remaining. Quilapio on the ride. Bricks all the way. Waits and travels on that one. 18-17. Steal was made on that pass. Went for that delivery. Pass. Nice save. Though effort. Talagang hanggang dun lang minsan. 19-18. Kawamoto has scored earlier. Joshua, wild shot, and it's good. How did he make that? Sometimes you just don't know how. Gotta be amazed at some point. Patiently waits, rejected by Gozum. Kilapio makes for that cross. 2:25 remaining. As the guys in white, Bataan, looking for a big win today and continue their streak. Nice pocket pass, but Chicha to Gozum. Four-point lead for Bataan. Medyo nanlamig yung outside scoring. Back-to-back blocks. Gozum says no. (23-19). Final minute 30 remaining. Bachicha once again looks to operate. Sends it inside. Gozum couldn't handle the pass. (23-19). Goes on that baseline. That won't fall. Nice recovery. Tap, it is recovered. Mico De Leon seeing action here for the first time. Final 15 seconds to go. Kawamoto has 4 points. Joshua almost losing the ball. But Chicha was not open. Kilapio instead went for that drive. Bricks couldn't find it. But the effort of these players from Region 2 talagang hindi mo matatawaran. (23-19). Running start for Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Last touch, balik sa Bataan ng bola. Final 20 seconds. Bricks again aggressive in the first quarter. Kilapio patient on that play. Had a lot of opportunities to go up and chose at the right second. 2 seconds to go, needing to hurry, and they couldn't get a shot off. 25-19. Bataan ALT basketball up by 6.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
25-19 as we return to the action. Joshua Kawamoto went for that drive and he will be fouled. (26-19). 27-19 after that Kawamoto free throws. Looking to make it work ay itong sila Milamina and company. Masyadong malalim para kay Timothy Enciso. Now gonna push further, but Chicha gives it to Gozum. For me, his defense was really the part or the key why lumamang itong Bataan. So much show of the offense, but the defense of Gozum on that first quarter, really something else. Hindi rin naman magpapatalo si Bricks. Just an amazing offensive specimen itong si Bricks Quilapio. Misfired on that three itong si Angelo Adon, but a foul will be called. Jarby Bigaong called for that foul. Went hot on the first quarter naman para dito sa Apong Cagayan. Harvey Makadangdang has at least 10 points in this game. Just recovers and started things off. 2 3-pointers agad. Ganon naging kaganda ang opensa, and the foul was called. Padamada is called there. Iken Padamada. Approaching the 8-minute mark. Maaga pa dito sa ating second quarter. 29-19. Bricks just too good individually. Need to double team that man. Talking about Bricks Quilapio. Again, Gozum with a defensive stop. That time, hindi na kinaya. Nahuli na ng fake. As Igea will be shooting his free throws. (31-22) ang ating score dito with 7 minutes 8 remaining. Quilapio sends it out. A floater by Mico De Leon didn't go in. On the drive, lefty finish. Good defense by Joshua. Uy, sayang. Sayang yung touch passing na yon. Carrying those baskets, Region 2, Apong Cagayan. 31-24, 6 minutes 10 remaining. But Chicha will use this pick, almost turning it over. Nice find, Gozum. I like how Gozum plays for Bataan. He instantly became my favorite player dito sa Bataan. Alam ko, Joshua Kawamoto, very, very entertaining to watch. Itong si Kilapio, very good in scoring. Pero grabe yung sipag nung Gozum. Meanwhile, on the side of Region 2, merong foul na itinawag. 33-26. (33-27). Goes for the dribbling exhibition. Kawamoto. 8 seconds to go. Joshua Kawamoto too strong. Fights for this possession. It is recovered by Gozum once again. But Chicha for 3. Couldn't hit as Kawamoto will be called for that foul. (33-27). 4 minutes 50 to go. Region 2 looking to cut this lead here. 27 points na kasi sila dito. (33-27) is our score. Four minutes 10 remaining of that steal. Gonna go for this push. Drive, scores, and finishes it off. 33-29. A steal on the other side. Sends it on the right. Spins. Cannot convert on that basket. Knocks down the first one. Gets it in is a Jarby Bigaong. (33-31). Three minutes into this second quarter action. Down by 2 itong Region 2 Bataan, up by 2 points. Turns around and it is a defensive stop. Offensive foul will be called. So a penalty situation this time. Bola babalik dito sa Apong Cagayan. Harvey Makadangdang will be at the line. Tied at 33. 3 minutes 5 remaining of the pickup. Scores on the lay-in. Harvey Makadangdang once again. This time it gives Region 2 a 2-point lead. gonna break in this cross. 2 minutes 35 remaining. Balag is here. Gives it to Kilapio. Has been amazing in that first quarter. Breaks on that spin. What a move. What a move by Brix Kilapio. No look pass on the other side. And one. Getting that basket to go. Harvey Makadangdang still buzzing in for points. Gets the bonus to go. Gives them a 3-point lead. 35-38. Three-point lead by Cagayan, 38-35. Timeout is called. Final 2 minutes to remaining.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
(35-38), another and one. Harvey Kadangdang ringing the bells here. 40-35. Having a wonderful game is Harvey on this one. Makadangdang has scored the last 6 points, and he takes the ball away. Kawamoto on the other side is now challenged here. 41-35. A minute 24 remaining. Region 2 with a 6-point lead. Nice play on that one. Spins sandwich. Traveling is called. A much needed stop for Bataan. Ang problema, makatawid kaya sila sa kabila. Final 60 seconds into this first half of action. Man-to-man defense implemented here by Region 2, and that is an 8-second call. Early on, it was Bataan having a good quarter. Now Region 2 looking to close this one off. Final 48 remaining. Goes on that pick, almost loses it nang mawala, as Iken Padamada will look to set it up. Timeout is called, brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
43 seconds remaining. Would like to give a special shout out DJ Dimaliwat and family watching live. Mga pinsan ko po nanonood dito sa loob ng Banana Court supporting Junior MPBL action. As we are taking a break from the intensity happening inside the court. Napatanong si Direk Shadi nasan daw eh. Nasa kabila. Nanonood. 41-35 is the score. Final 24 remaining. Bataan looking for a stop. There it is. Can they complete though? Final 14 went on that run. Kilapio almost turned away as a foul is called on that one. (41-35). Final 10 seconds here. Throws it up and turns the ball away. (8.8 seconds. Ball will go to Region 2. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
4 seconds to go to end. Di pa rin makapuntos, but there it is. Just couldn't get that friendly bounce as we end our first half. 41-35. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
third quarter action. Bakbak ang Region 2 Bataan ALT Basketball with Region 2 successfully turning the tides dun sa ating second quarter. That's why they are having a 6-point lead dito. Under 18 division, that bump and basket going in for our first two of the half as Nathan Egea gets that attempt, gets that rebound back. Big guard for this Region 2 squad. All day to shoot. Couldn't make it. Kawamoto secures that rebound. Now without his armband, Joshua Kawamoto. Masyadong malakas. Gozum. He was a non-factor on that second quarter. Now he's at the line. Tingnan natin ang magiging impact ni Erwin Gozum dito. In and out yung atake ni Gozum. Will make the second free throw. 43-35. 8-point lead for Region 2. Gets on the bump. Passes it to no one. Dahil kumat na. Papunta sa loob. Itong si Ethan Carnian. 7-point lead, I should say. 43-36. Kawamoto also absent on that second quarter and tatawagan ng foul si Ethan Carnian. (43-36) goes for this attack. Nice steal. Pass was too tight. Woo! What a move. Making that space. Red Kamat. Read that play perfectly. Kilapio on the other side. Making them pay. 45-38. Drops it off. Sends it in the corner. Couldn't hit that three. Kilapio again was aggressive on that opening quarter. Let's see in this second if he can rally up the troops. Bricks, spins, fakes, shoots, too strong. Last touch going in for this Region 2 or Bataan squad. (45-38). Nice tap. Going for this run once again. 3-on-1 break. Nice finish. JV Kiambao enters the scoring fray for the first time. Egea looking to pass it inside. Harvey Kadangdang has been playing so well. Gozum with a block. Possession will go back to Bataan. (45-40) is our score. 5-point lead. Bataan looking to cut it off with 6:10 remaining. Here's Kilapio. Looks to send it to Joshua. Kawamoto slips. Egea on the run. Their own version of a 3-on-1 break. That's second move for Nathan Egea, blowing by the defense. 47-40. Kilapio to Kawamoto. Joshua with 10 seconds to go. Uses his speed. Kawamoto Couldn't get that basket to go. A chance to run. Kadangdang. Couldn't finish. Harvey knocks down the first one. Second free throw. Rattles the second. 49-40. Biglang lamang ng siyam itong Region 2 with that floater. Gozum almost having a hand on it. Five minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter as Region 2 looking to add more points on the board and prepare us to a excellent fourth quarter. Makadangdang sends it outside. Balik dito kay Harvey. 10 seconds to go, needing to hurry. Ethan Carnian. That was way off. It is recovered. Now going on the run, Kawamoto was stopped by Egea. Four minutes 25. Looking to make their play here. Kilapio against three defenders. And that is just solid shut down by Team Region 2 Apong Cagayan. As we continue the coverage here inside Banana Court, 49-40, Egea will be called for a foul on that drive. So 3:52 ang nalalabi dito sa ating third quarter. A bit slower compared to our first two quarters, I should say. Mas maraming fouls today, a lot of stoppage as we look to end our coverage on a higher note. (51-40). 11-point lead. Kilapio gives it to Bachicha. 14 seconds to work with. Bachicha with a jumper. That is off for Joven. 11-point lead. Gonna push this pace. Nice look. Fake shoots. Won't score. Gozum gets that ball. Almost losing it. Balik dito kay Kilapio. Bricks. Loves to take it one-on-one. Kilapio. Gozum. Jumper on the elbow. That couldn't work. Now on the push. On the run. Hands it off. That is a smooth basket. Iken Padamada secures that point. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahal.
As we return to the action here, a 13-point lead, 53-40. 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining in the third. Fakes. Ball will remain on the side here. Bataan slow down on their offense, especially in this third quarter. Nice feed, Gozom just answers that one. Edwin Gozom makes a layup. Makadangdang went for that drive. Merong blocking foul. That is 3 team fouls on the side of Region 2. Bataan as well. Tig-tatlo na sila. Approaching the final 2 minutes. Iken all the way. Iken Padamada secures that layup. 55-42. A minute 30 remaining. Kiambao, who scored earlier, provides that pick. Bachicha bitin yung kanyang layup. Harvey makadangdang, lost the possession. Wanting to push this one off. Kilapio ends it up. 55-44. Makadangdang has 2 3-pointers in his name. Harvey almost stripped there. Goes for this drive. Sends it out. (55-44). 53.7 seconds remaining. We call for time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
Fakes on that three as we return to the action. Getting that floater to drop. Timothy Enciso scores on this one. Final 38. Hangs in the air, won't fall. 57-44. Couldn't get that one. Though a lot of English on that attempt. Balik ang bola sa Bataan. 20 seconds remaining. Gozom finds a way to score. Final 10 remaining. 57-46. Looking to make it work. Here's Igea. 3 to go. Needing to hurry. Puts it up. Oh, close on that basket. Umaluglang palabas yung tria ni tira ni Angelo Adon. And that is how we will end our third quarter with Region 2 Apong Cagayan still up 57-46.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Fourth quarter action. Bakbakang Region 2 at Bataan in this one. ALT Basketball, Apong Cagayan. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. 57-56, 11-point lead and a turnover by Gozom. Looking to increase the lead here. Itong sila Harvey Makadangdang. Nice pass for that floater. Just too strong. Kawamoto leads the break. Goes inside for two. 57-48. As the ball nearly went to our side here sa ating commentary booth. Kawamoto scored the last basket. Here he is once again. Looking to lock it up. Kawamoto on the offense. Push off. Ang itatawag doon na offensive foul. Gotta give credit. A lot of credit dito kay John Altred Mikamina, making that stop, answering the call of the coaches. Pagamada gives it to Makadangdang. Harvey Iken for three. That is off. Gonna set this play here. Let's see what will happen in this next possession with 4:45 from way downtown. Rescued by Kilapio. Masyadong malayo para kay Abe De Gia. (57-48). 9-point lead and Ciso gives it to Harvey. Another corner look. Fakes Egea. That is a stripped. A 3-on-2 break. Kilapio will be fouled on that attempt. Timothy Enciso called for that foul. Knocks it down on the first one. Looking to cut this lead into a much smaller margin. Misses on the second one. 8 pa rin ang abante ng Region 2. Just need to figure something out here. Almost a steal. Look to brush it off. And it is now on the side of Egea. Spins, sends it out. 3 on the way. Kaboom! Securing that 3-point basket. Pushing the lead to 11. Gozom rolls it in. 60-51. Still a 9-point lead. Can they go for another 3? This time on the left, I should say. One dribble, pull up, miss. As they will have an out of bounds play. (60-51). 3-possession ball game, a 9-point lead. Goes for that drive. Nice defense by Gozum and Kilapio. Wanting to attack once again. Referees blow their whistle once on that stop. As things are getting tight with 5 minutes 50 remaining. Looking to set it up. 60-51. Bachicha. Joven attacks, and there's a foul from behind. .540 remaining. Joven Bachicha is now at the line. Knocks down the first one. Gets that second free throw to drop. 60-53. 7-point lead. Breaks down the defense. Didn't get that stop. As it went into our area here, Padamada was able to rescue that play. 7-point lead as they go and attack this defense. Jumper off the mark. Nice spin to move away on the defense. Breaking free. Nakawala. Ooh, just amazing luck at that time. That was a broken play na ishoot pa din Nathan Egea. (62-53). 9-point lead. Region 2 looking to finish things off with 4 minutes 30 remaining. One-hander goes in for Gozum. 62-55. 7-point lead advantage. Region 2 looking to push this one to double digits. Meanwhile, Bataan playing D. Enciso on the drive. Couldn't get that roll. Going to push. Bachicha. Joven. Went up. Tumama sa paa. (62-55). Approaching the last 3 minutes into this ball game. 7-point lead ang Kalamangan. Sends it in the corner. 3-pointer wouldn't count. Stepping on the line. So both teams having empty trips dito sa ating laban. 62-55. Joshua Kawamoto looking to make something work on their offense and cut the lead to at least 5. Bachicha again too close to comfort. Ken Padamada, I believe, will be called for that foul. Are they the penalty? They are in the penalty. Talking about Region 2. So from this moment on, it's all free throws para dito sa kampo ng Bataan. Joven Bachicha makes the first one. One out of 2. Pero ang Kalamangan, 6 na lang. 62-56 is the score. 3 minutes 15 remaining. Di diskarte on the offense. Itong si Nathan. Stepping to. Gozum again with a block. Big three on the way. Off the mark, Gozum grabs that rebound. Looking to cut this one into a 4-point lead. Kawamoto sizes up. Joshua. No look pass, went nowhere. 2-on-2 break. And there is a push. Bataan now with 2 team fouls already. Meanwhile, ang Region 2, meron na silang penalty situation na sila. So with 2:36 remaining. They send it out. A lot of space to operate, I should say, for that three. Didn't go in. Kilapio finds a space and makes it on that layup. 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Region 2. They will call for time. (62-58), 4-point lead as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. Almost a turnover on the side of Region 2. They're now going for the kill. Egea says 6 on the shot clock. Drives, can score. Gozum secures that rebound. A fight for it. Ball will go on the side of Bataan. (62-58). Gozum breaks free and scores. The lead is down to 2. A minute 40 remaining. Chance of defense on the side of Bataan. Region 2, offense gone cold. Egea loses the ball. Kawamoto drives, ties the game. We are knotted at 60. Joshua Kawamoto gives us 62 all.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago.
Another close game. Chance of defense on the side of Bataan. Foul downstairs. The 4th team foul. Or I should say the 3rd team foul. Tabla tayo at 62, a minute 19 remaining. Referees will call off a map here again to prevent any accidents. We have a situation right now. Tied at 62. Region 2 hasn't scored in 3 minutes or so. Meanwhile, Bataan cut the lead point per point, basket per basket in this contest. As we continue the action, a minute 19 remaining. Goes in this one. Steps through for a 3. Airballs that one. Bataan may pagkakataong makuha ang kalamangan. 1 minute, 8 to go. Gozom attacks, waits, nice defense. Follow-up is in by Kilapio. The lead is now on the side of Bataan. A 3 ball. Oh, got it! Answering back with a 3 of their own. Kawamoto sends it. Gozom. Oh, big basket again. Back and forth. Egea will lose the possession. Kawamoto on the run. Joshua bumps. Finish that basket. 68-65 for the tie. No good. Gozom with the rebound. What a wild sequence that was. Bataan has came back. Kilapio with the big follow-up. Kawamoto with a basket. Gozom cleans this game. It is just a Region 2 meltdown. Referees call a travel. Final 14 to go. Down by 5. And that is the game here. Gozom, Kilapio, Kawamoto. 3 players na naging sandigan ng Bataan in this game. Again, a meltdown by Region 2 Apong Cagayan. Big free throws to Phil. Gozom shuts them up. Knocks it both. Bataan trailing majority of the second half will win 2 games here. And that is the game. They are moving up. They are moving on. What a turnaround. Bataan 72, Region 2 Apong Cagayan 65. A sorry meltdown that the players from Bataan took advantage. One more game sa ating elimination round. We'll be right back.
Liga ng